Bosch 6 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. WAB16060IN, white, inbuilt heater. Fully automatic front-load washing machine, best wash quality, energy, and water efficient. Capacity 6 kg suitable for bachelors and couples, multiple water protection. Warranty, 2 years on product and 10 years on motor. 800 RPM, higher the spin speed, faster the drying time, power consumption, 990 watts power requirement, AC 230 volts. Special features, Super 30 program noise level washing, 54 decibels noise level spinning, 74 decibels special programs, Super 1530, Hygiene, kids wear, drum clean, delicate silk, wool, synthetics, daily wash. For any product-related queries, contact us on 080-675-21111. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.